It's been a year since I did a build, so it's time to do a new one. Be Quiet provide me with the new light base 500 LX in white. They also send me their Pure Loop 3 LX and the Pure Power 13M 1000-watt power supply. So we'll test those components soon. I asked Intel if I could borrow back the B580 because I want to try XeSS2. They also provided me with the i7 265K processor for that build. RAM pricing and storage pricing is kind of insane right now. So I just salvaged the RAM from my AM5 build and I'll deal with it in the future. I bought the Z890 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi motherboard. That was the cheapest motherboard with 5 gig networking, Wi-Fi 7, so I can test those. And it also come with Star Wars Outlaws. So stay tuned for that build and please subscribe and like.